In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create countdown timer in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use countdown you can drop into your intros, event screens, or social media videos, all without leaving your browser. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account so your work saves automatically as you go. Being signed in also ensures you can access your recent designs later from any device. On the left sidebar, click on Create. From that same left side, choose Videos and then select Video in the landscape format. Landscape is the standard widescreen size, which works great for platforms like YouTube, presentations, or any setup that displays horizontally. This will open a fresh, blank video canvas where you'll build your countdown. At the top, use the search bar and type Countdown 60 Timer, then press Enter. This search brings up a set of ready-made countdown options centered around a 60-second duration. You'll see a variety of styles: bold, minimal, energetic, or elegant, so you can match the vibe of your project. Browse through the results and click on a design you like. When you open a design, some options may include more than one page or variation. If you see that prompt, choose Apply Both Pages if you want both versions added to your project. This gives you flexibility to test different looks side by side or switch styles later without starting over. Now it's time to place the actual countdown on your canvas. Click or drag a suitable countdown timer video from the results onto your canvas. If it doesn't automatically fill the entire space, no problem. Grab the corner handles and drag outward to resize it proportionally until it covers the canvas the way you want. Aim for edge-to-edge coverage for a polished full-frame look, or leave margins if you prefer a stylized layout. As you resize, Canva's alignment guides can help you center the timer precisely so it looks balanced and professional. Take a quick moment to confirm the countdown is clearly visible and easy to read against the background. High contrast tends to work best so viewers can track the time at a glance. Once it looks right, you're set. Your design is already saved in your account, and you now have a clean countdown timer placed on a landscape video canvas ready for use in your next project.